Have you tried the smoothie vending machine in Bugis Plus? There are 16 preset menu for you to choose, or you can create your own smoothie, choose from water-based or milk-based. After you choose your smoothie, you can add on some of the topping like oats, honey, chia seed, and you pay by contactless. After that, you can see the smoothie machine in action. I choose banana, pineapple, and spinach, but the spinach is only a little bit. And then it will blend up to 30 seconds and your smoothie is ready. Let's test it.
Not bad, not bad.